Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely Range Rover SV. SV standing for Special Vehicle, and I'll show you why it's a special vehicle in just a moment. This one's a 2023 on a 23 plate. These are a 4.4 litre V8, so 530 brake horsepower. Finished in Santorini Black metallic. It's a massive spec car. Being the SV, it's a special vehicle, specially built by a department within Land Rover to be the most luxurious, the most plush vehicle you can possibly order. So, looking round it, we've got lots of bright silver detailing all throughout. We've got LED daytime running lights. Let's talk about the main options. So, we've got the largest wheels that you can get, which are the 23-inch. These are multi-spokes, twin spokes, finished in Corris grey. We've got the deployable side steps on this one as well. Panoramic glass roof, which is opening, tilting, sliding. We've got full 360 parking sensors as well as 360 cameras. Condition-wise, a lovely, lovely car. We know the previous owner. It's been very well looked after by him. Bodywork-wise, wheels, tyres, all absolutely superb. Electric tailgate. It does work when you press the button. So elegantly glides up. It's a clamshell as well, so you can press this side, that'll fold down too. Obviously all that's electric. If you pop your head inside, we've got a little info panel at the side there, so everything's on air suspension. You can heighten it, lower it, you can operate the middle row seats to exactly the way that you want them. Then coming through to the passenger side, again looking at the bodywork, absolutely ace. Keyless entry, keyless start. And then when you poke your head inside, this one's got the light linen interior. What you'll find is a lot of these cars, they come with black leather, which, yeah, looks nice, but this is just pure class. So nice plush seats, obviously fully electric. We'll probably come back to this in a second. We'll jump through to the back first. So this vehicle is made to be chauffeured around in. So if I jump in, that's the chauffeur seat. Everything's electric in the back here. So we've got power blind, obviously full panoramic roof. You get this nice center armrest, which takes a couple of seconds to operate. In this vehicle, we've got this lighter grained wood all throughout. You get a touchpad in the center there as well. Slide to open, so you can adjust the blinds, the seats, the lighting. We've got cup holders which pop out as well, which is quite a funky feature. And then you can close it all up again, easy. You've got a bit of storage in there as well. Meridian surround sound all throughout the car. We've got blinds in the back, which you can operate from both sides. I'll do that for you, Alex, don't you worry. You can adjust the music. Obviously it's all memory in the back here as well. It's fully reclining. That seat there is a full recliner, so this will go all the way back, that will go all the way forward. That's a footrest that comes out, so you can be fully chauffeured. Have a nap in the back. It's even got a 12-volt power outlet, so if you want to charge your laptop, your phone as you're driving, or even if you want to bring a kettle, have a brew, you can do. Right, let's jump in the front. Again, SV detailing all throughout, so even on the little sills, memory seats, folding mirrors, everything that you'd expect from a car of this caliber. We've got heated steering wheel, virtual cockpit, satellite navigation all throughout, chauffeur mode, which I don't want to switch on because Alex is in that seat. Back through to the home menu, you've got satellite navigation, full DAB radio, all the extended channels, slope assist, weight sensing, vehicle info all through there. iDynamic, so obviously as I mentioned, it's a big 4.4 litre V8, so you can adjust the suspension, the gear shifters, the engine responsiveness, the steering responsiveness to exactly the way that you want it. You've got stopwatch, you've got lap timers, you've got G meters showing you how fast you're accelerating and braking. Deployable side steps which you can switch on and off. There's loads and loads of gadgets on these cars. Seats, if we press through, there we go. So you've got your rear seats, you've got your front seats. They are heated, they are massaging, obviously fully adjustable. You can adjust where you want it to massage as well, whether it's on your back, what type of massage you want, and the intensity is quite good. A lot of the time when you look at massaging seats, they're a bit of a gimmick. With these, you can feel it. It is really, really good. We've got then charging ports all throughout. We've got loads of storage here and there. Little cool box in the centre, which is nice to see. Extra storage all throughout. But a very, very nice thing. So if you'd like anything further, if it's finance that you're after, if you've got a part exchange, or if you just want more information, give us a call, send us an email. Thanks for watching.